next allowance that we're going to discuss about is car maintenance allowance. It's basically when you use your personal car for official purposes, how you can claim a deduction under the Income Tax Act. So where you're using your personal car for your personal needs, well, it's your own car, you can claim it and there is nothing that's going to be impacting your salary for it, right? But when you use your personal car for official purposes, the government of India gives you certain deductions that you can claim in your salary. Now these deductions are already specified in the act. It's not like, you can go ahead and claim any amount that you're spending towards your petrol or car maintenance for it. So where the car that you own is being used for official and personal purposes both, then the reimbursement that you will get will be based on the capacity of your car. So where your car's capacity is less than 1600 cc, then you can claim a reimbursement of 1800 rupees per month plus a driver's salary of 900 rupees per month. And where your car's capacity is more than 1600 cc, then you can claim a reimbursement of 2400 rupees per month and a driver's salary of 900 rupees per month. So basically, where you have your own car, you're entitled to an exemption of 2700 rupees or 3300 rupees based on the capacity of your car. Now we know that the limits specified in the Act are very low given the current expenses on your car, but that is what the Act says, and this is the only deduction that you can claim where you're using your personal car for official purposes as well.